Welcome back to the channel, guys. I can't believe it's this time of year already, but it is getting close to the end of the year, and it is time for me to show you my top 5 favorite pieces of gear from the year 2025. Very good year for products, very good year. So that's why I'm going to have a wild card. I'm going to show you a number 6 item. It's hard to get them all, these cool stuff, into 5. So coming in as a wild card is the Godox V480. And it's not the biggest flash Godox has, definitely not the smallest flash I have. This is the definition to me of a great flash for a reception. It's not heavy, it's plenty big enough, it's not too small, it's not too big. It's kind of right in that sweet middle spot. And the same way with the price. It's about half price, maybe 40% less than a B100 and a good bit more than like an IT30. But it's an excellent flash, and it also has the new menu that we all know and love, that menu. So this is just a fantastic flash. I just love the Godox V480. So we'll leave that in as a wild card at number 6. So number 5, the drone, the Bwine F7 GIM drone. I love this drone. We had our moments at times, but I do love this drone right here. Bwine F7 GIM. It's a great little drone. Fun to, easy for me to say, fun to fly. There are a few things that you kind of have to figure out to get it going right. It has a few quirks, but it's an excellent drone, and I really enjoyed flying it, and I really do like it. So I'm going to put that in my number 5 spot. Now, as we get closer up to the top, second and third were really, really hard. But I'm going to go at number 3. We're going to go with the Godox IT30. And this is another Godox flash. You can see on the back, it also has the new menu. Now, this is not only a flash, it's also a transmitter. It's also a receiver. It does everything. And it does it all for $79, which is cheaper than buying the X3, which is just a transmitter. So this is a great little flash, and I've got a little adapter on here called a TR. This way you can take it, and now you can put it in your hot shoe, and you can even bounce the flash. So at number 3, we have the Godox IT30. Great little flash to have, easy to carry, lightweight. If you're traveling, can't beat it. Number 3, this is the Godox X3 Pro. This is a transmitter that is a little bit bigger. The X3 was a little bit small. This one has a nice size to it. And you can see it is the new menu. Now, this one has a lot of advantages over the X3, not only just size, but it is a lot more than just size. Great investment right there. If you're in the Godox ecosystem, you really need to get the X3 Pro. It is definitely worth it. So that's it. Picture the box. And now for number 1 and number 2. My second favorite piece of gear is this. This is the Sigma 28-70 f2.8. What a fantastic lens this is. And it's so much cheaper than the 24-70. The colors you get out of it are amazing. The lens is just spot on. It focuses quick. It's just a great lens, and it's right under $1,000, where you're going to be paying double that to go 24-70. So 28-70 is only 4 off, so not a huge difference, but a lot of money saved and a lot lighter. So the Sigma 28-70 f2.8 is my favorite number 2 piece of gear of the year. My favorite piece that I bought all year long, you guessed it, it is the Lumix S5 Mark II, the camera, full frame Panasonic Lumix camera. I love this camera. It is an amazing little camera. I had the Canon R6, which is also a good mirrorless camera, but I think I like my Lumix S5 more than I like the Canon R6. It's just a fantastic camera. I never have any issues with it, knock on wood, but it does everything that I need it to do. We're normally recording with it, but since I had to have it as my number 1, we're recording with the Lumix G9 Mark II right now. The Lumix S5 II combined with this Sigma 28-70 you could pretty much shoot 95% of everything that you need to shoot and never have to change lenses. Now, you know, it's best to change the lenses, but I'm saying it had to be done. So anyway, guys, I'll do it again, show you real quick. Wild card, number 6, Godox 480 flash. Number 5, the Bwine S7 drone. Number 4, the Godox IT30. Number 3, the Godox X3 Pro trigger. And number 1 and 2, the Lumix S5 Mark II, along with the Sigma 28-70 lens. So let me know if you guys have any of this gear, if you bought it this year. And what was your favorite gear of the year? Let me know. I'd like to see. So we'll be soon moving into a new year next year. We got a bunch of things planned for next year. I'm looking forward to it. It's just going to be a tremendous year. This year has just showed tremendous growth. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching and commenting. You guys are fantastic. And I so appreciate it. I really do. I'm not just saying that. I really, really appreciate it. And if you have any questions about any gear, let me know. Any of this, let me know. Any other random gear, let me know if I can help you out. I'll help you out any way that I can. I so appreciate you guys. Hit that thumbs up and hit subscribe. You guys have a great day. Thank you.